If you have recently fitted out your moneymaker with a toolbox, or you deliver packages for a living, you'll have discovered your rearview mirror no longer works as intended due to an obstructed view. Whilst your side mirrors are important, they do not give you a rear vision viewpoint directly behind the vehicle. Regardless of the obstruction, the solution nonetheless is the same. Introducing Aerpro's Advanced Safety Vision Systems digital mirror range. The AEM1R is a digital mirror with a single rear-facing camera and built-in black box DVR. The AEM2R supports the same features of the 1R, with the addition of a forward-facing camera giving the DVR both front and rear of vehicle coverage. Common configurations. Direct fit compatibility. If you wish to learn more about the Advanced Safety Vision Systems range, you may wish to click on the QR codes at the end of this video.